How to open a Uber Eats driver account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Uber driver app in your device. If not, you can launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Uber driver. Once app appears, install it. Once completion of installation process, launch the app. With that, you will enter this kind of interface. Now you can create your account using phone number, like with Apple ID, Facebook account, Google ID, email address. You can use any of these options. For instance, I'm gonna use the email address. Now go ahead and type in your email address over here. After you type in, click on next. Now you will be receiving 4-digit code in your email address that you have just entered. So close this and check your mail. You'll receive mail from Uber. You can open that mail. So here's the code. Launch your Uber driver app. Type in that code over here. Now type in your mobile number. You can first select the country and then type in your phone number, or also you can skip this process. For instance, I'm gonna skip this process. Now type in your first name, type in your last name, and then click on next. Now check in for this option of I agree and then click on next. Now from this page you can add your payment method. For now I'm gonna skip this process. And with that, your Uber driver account will be created. Well, this is how you can easily open a Uber Eats driver account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.